We're continuing this second video. The first video cut out because Mr. Ernst is a rookie at video creation. However, the answers to 4, 5, and 6 are up on up here in this video. In number 4, we have this line right here, the dashed line that is representative of negative x plus y is greater than 2. And then we have this other dashed line that's 3x minus 4y is less than negative 12. They're both dashed lines because they both do not have the equals to, and the double shaded region is where our solution is. In 5, you can notice that both of these lines are parallel and they are both shading towards each other, so their overlap is the solution to this system because that's where both have valid solutions. And then in number 6, we have 3 functions, or 3 inequalities, all 3 of them where they overlap. That is where our end solutions are.